Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Mark here with the Crypto Mark. Let's talk some ADA. How high can Cardano go if it hits an Ethereum all-time market cap? So let's break that all down. This article is from the Crypto Basic. I'm going to be talking some Cardano here on the channel. So if you do hold ADA, let the world know, let YouTube know. Put that ADA down below in the comments, and let's get into it. Okay. Make sure you guys subscribe if you do like crypto every single day. Turn on that notification bell. Follow me on X. All that good stuff. And let's get down into it. Okay. Always, guys, though, remember, not financial advice. Please do your own research and due diligence, okay? And before we get into it, I'm going to show you guys the chart, but I do want to take time to talk about today's channel sponsor. This is Margex. If you guys do any leverage trading, register now to claim up to $10,000 in bonuses using my link down below. There's no KYC. There is a copy trading feature within Margex that a lot of traders have been taking the guesswork out of it, especially in times like this where we start to see a lot of bullishness within the ETF talks and Bitcoin, Ethereum. A lot of traders have been kind of following that pattern and making some gains. I've seen some feedback. I can see some of the numbers behind the scenes and how people are doing. And a lot of traders have been having success trading on Margex with Ethereum and Bitcoin. So check it out for yourself. Like I said, no KYC. It is leverage trading, very volatile. So make sure you do your research and due diligence. And if you want to get started trading with Margex, links down below. But how high can Cardano go if it hits Ethereum's market cap? Well, this has been kind of the story for ADA, one of the worst performing crypto assets. You know, a lot of people have been calling it a ghost chain, zombie chain, so on and so forth. But recently we hit a new bottom of 32 cents. That's a price level that we haven't seen since Q4 of 2023. But, you know, seeing this rebound from the market today, I'll show you guys a little bit into the crypto bubbles. You can see pretty much everything is into the green. ADA, for the most part, if we want to look at it a little deeper, this is where you can see ranked 10th in market cap. We can look into it, up 2.5% on the day, so kind of lagging the rest of the market, but still at that 35 cents level. On CoinMarketCap, you can see the spike that we had coming back from July 4th, and still, though, it's important to understand, since back in time period back in Q4 of 2023, we're still up from there. Right, we're not at that level that we were at, say, in March of 2024, where we were brushing 80 cents, but we are still up since the wee part of the later part in 2023. So, you know, for those of you that are holding ADA like myself, could this be another entry point? Could this be a way to lower your cost basis, buy some more ADA at these low discounted prices? Sure, but nobody has that crystal ball, so you can't really predict what's going to happen in crypto. All I can tell you is that over the last year, we're up 24%. So ADA, you know, as much as the lagging price has been a story, it hasn't been something to deter traders, and we have seen this uptick since, you know, this 1 year time period. So back in ADA and how high it can actually go, you have to understand something, though, that we have seen a little bit close to a 7.5% price gain in the last 24 hours. Since receding a little bit, like I said, only up 2.5 roughly percent today. But with Ethereum's market cap, this is where you can see a little bit of a kind of a valuation of 28 times what Cardano is right now on the chart. So ADA would have to surge about 2,700% plus to have a market cap similar to Ethereum's. This is where you see the supply and the tokenomics. That would translate to a price of $10.12 for ADA. That's kind of on par with what I'm kind of looking at within my ADA. When I initially bought Cardano way back when, my price valuation was a 2030 outlook with a price target of $9 to $12. So that's kind of where I'm at. A lot of the AI predictions are on board with that as well. Unfortunately, I was one of the traders that was buying Cardano back in 2021 in the height of the bull run, where ADA was as high as $3.10. I was buying ADA probably around $2.90. So luckily enough, some of these price levels that we had are under 25 cents was an opportunity to lower my cost basis and kind of average all that out. So when this can happen, you know, like I said, nobody has a crystal ball, but a couple of the voices that cover ADA very, very much, pretty much every single a day, is Ali Martinez, as well as Dan Gambardello. And this is something where you can see their views are looking into 2025. That's when Dan thinks that they could reach $11. However, 2025 for Ali is where $8 Cardano is where his projection is at. So kind of something to keep in mind. Obviously, nobody has that crypto crystal ball, but like I said, for me, it's 2030. That's kind of on par with what the AI predictions are at. That's where they view Changeley can predict that $10 is attainable by 2032. and so on and so forth. So kind of where I'm at. I don't know where your guys' price predictions are at in terms of a time frame, time period. Let me know down below in the comments how you guys are viewing that. But we're going to continue to cover Cardano right here on the charts every single day for you guys. If you do like Cardano coverage, you want to know more, make sure you guys all subscribe down below. Turn on the notification bell, and please smash that like button. But that's kind of where I'm at. So we're going to continue to stay the course. I know these are really low levels for ADA, but it's something where it's not alarming to me. If anything, it's just another reason to be buying ADA at these discounted prices, as I look for really what they're doing from a governance standpoint and all the momentum and kind of things they're unveiling to really start to take form and kind of impact ADA on the charts. But it is crypto, so nobody has that crystal ball, and that's kind of where we're all at as we look for more kind of momentum and steam to take us back to levels, even just above $1 would be nice for ADA, okay? But it's going to be a long road. We talk and follow Hoskinson a lot. We know how bullish he is, how much they believe in ADA, right? The IOHG, all that good stuff. So if you want to know more, like I said, please subscribe down below. Check out the links down below, like I talked about earlier in the video. If you want to get signed up with Margex, start trading today. But we will be covering Cardano every single day here on the channel. So turn on that notification bell if you want to know more. We will be back tomorrow with another ADA video. But that's kind of where I wanted to talk about in this, is where ADA could be at if we do hit Ethereum's market cap. That's where you would look in terms of that. That would take us to about $10.10 for ADA. So appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. We'll see you guys all tomorrow. Cheers.